AI assistants can generate design assets quickly, but then you have to restyle everything to your brand. The solution is to teach your AI your brand once, so it has the right ingredients every time you ask it to create something. This works well using Claude Design, Figma's AI Agent, and Firefly's AI Assistant. For each one, I'll show you how to add your brand, how to use it, and how well the AI follows it. First up, Claude Design. Claude Design is to me the gold standard. I've been using it to create design systems for my brands and my clients' brands, and it's saved me countless hours. To set up a design system, go to claude.ai/design. From here, just select Create Design System. You have two options here. I like using the first options because then I can create guardrails by uploading only assets I want to include. You can add brand guidelines, Figma files, PNGs, logos, fonts, whatever. You can use more than one system at a time in your prompt. So for instance, maybe button styles are different for your social media than your website, and you want to create two different systems. It takes a while for each system to compile. Then, when you go to Claude Design, design anything with your brand system. I created a logo animation for my TubeLab app by selecting animation. It gives you options, and then you can comment to edit. You can export your animation to a video, or if you asked it to create a graphic, you can export it to an SVG. Look out for a video on the many ways to use Claude Design. Next up, Figma's AI Agent. Figma's AI Agent is incredibly helpful at many things. To give it your brand style, first publish your Figma file with your brand assets to a library. Then you can use the library assets in any Figma file. And you can have the AI agent create things on brand, like coming up with variations for a social media asset, or creating brand guidelines. My favorite way to jumpstart some ideas is recreating a design from an image in my brand style, like this dashboard. Then I can spend more time designing and less time cleaning up tedious elements. Firefly AI Assistant. Firefly's AI Assistant is great at creating a variety of branded assets. To begin with, select Create a Brand Kit. Then you'll want to tell it a little bit more about your brand. Upload logos, images, and brand styles or designs. It distills your brand and creates a brand kit for you. Then you're set. Whenever you use the AI Assistant, just mention your brand kit and it'll use it as a guide. This brand kit only works with Firefly, Express, and Boards, not Creative Cloud apps yet. I used it to create mock-ups of my app on different products, and then added those to my kit, which I can refer to anytime, like adding them to a lifestyle shot. The Firefly AI Assistant can also add your images, videos, logos, and anything it generates to a Firefly board. This makes staying on brand super easy. These tools don't all use brand guidelines in the same way. Claude turns your references into a reusable design system. A Figma-connected agent can work with actual components and variables already in your library. Firefly saves a brand kit and reuses it across creative workflows. But the principle is the same. Don't make the AI guess what your brand looks like. Give it the rules, assets, components, and examples once. Then it doesn't have to guess, and you don't have to clean up. Next, check out my video 10 AI Assistant Workflows to see how I use brand kits to create so many useful results with so little cleanup.